Hello and welcome to a virtual walkthrough of the Audio Guys Institute music production courses. In this video, I'll be walking you through the various modules you will learn at TAG during your courses. Let's dive into the units. First, we focus on Western rhythm theory. This covers everything from basic musical notation to bar and beat concepts, time signatures, and the fundamental principles of rhythm in Western music. Next comes the melodic side of Western music. Here, we dive into scales, chords, inversions, and complex chord relatives. We explain each concept in depth, helping you create music that's not just technically correct, but also harmonically rich and musically expressive. Finally, we explore Indian music theory. You'll understand chord concepts like swar, tal, rag, and laikari, giving you a strong cultural and rhythmic foundation. Together, this ensures that every TAG student develops the right musical base to confidently begin their journey as a music producer.